In my previous videos, we learned what is a resistor, capacitor, motors and many more. So in this video, we're going to learn what is a diode and its types. So before going to the video, hello guys, I'm Rohit Roboter. I post videos based on science and technology and sports. So if you are new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe so that my videos leads towards you. Now let's go into the video. This is called a diode, which is black in color and it has a stripe on one end. Why is it so? Well, the grey stripe marks that the terminal nearer to the stripe is negative and the terminal opposite to the stripe is positive. And there are many types of diodes. This is called 1N4007 diode, which is commonly used in building DIY projects, and this is called BB5100L diode, which I plugged it from a charger. Now, how these diodes actually work? Let us see visually and learn it. So now, what is a diode? Well, a diode is a component which allows the current to be flown in only one direction. That is, it allows the electricity to be flown from positive to negative. That is in the forward direction only. So let us understand like this. Let us say that we have connected LED to a battery with a diode. So this is the positive and negative of the battery. So we all know that electricity passes from positive to negative. So electricity goes like this and reaches a diode and goes like this because it moves in the forward direction only, and the LED glows and it comes back to the battery. But if we change the battery's terminals and this has positive and this has negative, the electricity goes like this because it goes from positive to negative side. It goes like this and it stops here because we connected the battery reversely and the diode does not allow the current to be flown in reverse. So it stops the current and the LED does not glow because it does not reach the battery again. Okay, now I had made a circuit. So I connected the negative end of the LED to the positive end of the diode, and I connect the diode's negative and the LED is positive to the battery. Now when I connect the correct terminals, the LED glows. But when I switch the terminals, oh, the camera fell. Now when I switch the terminals, it doesn't glow. See, I take the correct terminals and I switch the terminals. See, this is the work of the diode. It does not allow to current flow in the wrong direction. It only allows the current to be flown in the correct direction, which is the forward direction, which is from positive side to negative side. Apart from these diodes, we also have this special diode, which is called a Zener Diode. It is transparent but also does the same work as this diode. That is, it conducts the electricity in only one direction, and it has a black stripe on its one end. That is indicating that this side is negative. But the specialty of this diode is it can only work at a specific minimum voltage. That is, this diode can work at any voltages. That is, I'm talking about the minimum voltage, not 220,000 volts. But this is called the diode I'm having is 5 volt Zener diode. That is, it can work only at voltages above 5 volts. Now I'll show you an example. So I'm having a normal diode and I have a 3 volt battery here. So if I connect it to this, the LED glows like this, as you can see. But when I connect a Zener diode now, this is a 5 volt Zener diode. That is, it starts conducting electricity only above 5 volts. So now I connect it. Okay, is it correct? Yeah. Now if I connect it to a 3 volt battery, the LED will not glow. See, the LED isn't glowing. Hey, it is glowing. So that means it's a 3 volt diode, not a 5 volt diode. So it's a 3 volt diode, that is it starts conducting electricity by 3 volts. So if I connect to one battery which is 1.5 volts, the LED will not work. It starts connecting only after 3 volts like this. If I connect it to a 9 volt battery, okay, it works. If I connect it reverse, it will not work. But these diodes get very hot when they are connected to above the 3 volt voltages. So be careful. Till now we have seen the two types of diodes. But do you know the other diode which we are using in our daily lives? To know this, pause this video and then comment what that diode is. Have you commented? Well, the answer is the LED, which is light emitting diode by full form. So this is also a diode that it allows electricity to be flown in one direction, and apart from that, it also glows when electricity flows in the correct path. Let me show you. So now let's connect an LED in the correct way. Okay, now I'll power it. See closely. See, when I connect it to positive, negative to negative, that is, it glows. And when I connect it reversely, it does not. And when I connect it to the correct path, it glows. So it is also a diode, that is, it conducts electricity in only one direction, and also it glows when electricity flows in the correct path. In this video, we learned the three types of diodes, that is regular diodes and Zener diode and the unknown diode, that is the LED. So I hope that you have understood these three. So don't forget to subscribe and like to get more videos like this. Thank you.